Hello guys, welcome to Friday 600 with A.A. James. As you know, once again, my name is A.A. James, the senior trader and financial analyst at Dazzly FX, where we bring to you transformative journey towards mastering the art of trading. So today, we're going to be discussing a very important topic. And as you can see on my screen, it is profitable trading strategy for 9-to-5 workers. Why 9-to-5 traders? The reason is because majority of the people that are trading, they are not full-time traders. And most of these people, they are not profitable. Regardless of what time your job is, you can make a profitable living from trading the Forex market. And that's the essence of the course today. All right, so I want you to sit back, don't rush, don't skip, because you do not know what time I'm going to drop a secret that pertains to you in particular. All right, so before we get started, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. Hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, like the video when you are through with it. Okay, like the video and also share and make a comment and let me know what other topics you want Dazzly FX to talk about. All right, so without further ado, let's get to business. Profitable trading strategy for 9-to-5 workers. What you would need to become very profitable in Forex trading, no matter how busy you are, ladies and gentlemen, is 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes. All right, so now why 9-to-5? Because the salary you're earning will not be enough to live the kind of lifestyle you want to live. So that is the reason why. And 9-to-5 again, because they don't have the time to sit in front of the trade, in front of the chart, to do all types of analysis, all types of this, listen to this news, listen to that. They don't have that time. Now, there are 4 types of traders. We know that there are 4 types of traders. You have the scalpers. Okay, don't mind my writing, please. You have the intraday traders. You have the swing traders. All right, and you have the position traders. So now, what are the steps that you need? I've broken the steps down into 4. The first thing that you need to define is your personality, and this personality, they are divided into 2. Are you the patient type or you are the impatient type? If you are the type that is patient, then you can do what we call the swing trading or the position trading. If you are the type that you are not patient, all right, if you put in your money, you want to see profit now, you want to be in and out of the market, you can do scalping and intraday. Let me redefine what scalping and intraday is. It's not necessarily defined by the time of entry. It is simply defined by the time, the duration in which you hold a trade. You can decide to go in on a daily candle and hold the trade for just 10 minutes. That is scalping. You are only getting scoops, all right, scoops of pips out of the market. When you are scooping an ice cream, it doesn't mean there's only 1 spoon of ice cream. You can go to a large ice cream house and they will just scoop a spoon for you. So you can be on a 4-hour candle, on a daily candle, on a 2-hour candle, and just scoop out 10 pips, scoop out 20 pips. That is scalping, taking advantage of short movements in the market. So if you are the type that you do not have patience, you want to be in and out of the market, then what you have to do is you have to scalp or intraday. An intraday trader can be a person who opens his trade by 11 o'clock and closes by 9:59 the next day. So because this person is a 9-to-5 trader, their scalping will be night sessions. If they close by 7 p.m. or by 8 p.m., they get home by 10 or by 9 p.m., they shower, they rest, Then they wake up maybe by 12. That would be Asian session or Sydney session. And that would be NZD, JPY, or AUD pairs. Master how they behave at night and scalp them. The same thing with intraday. You can open your position by 12 midnight. Leave it by 5 a.m. Whatever profit you have made, you close it until you come back again. Number 2 thing that you need to settle is your goal. What is your goal for trading? Are you trading as a side hustle? Are you trading as a hobby? Are you trading for a project? Are you trading for retirement sake or for resignation sake? If you are trading as a hobby, please, this video is not for you. If you're retiring, where are you right now? What year are you going to retire? Do you have 5 years to go? Do you have 10 years to go? Do you have 20 years to go? Do you have 15 years to go? Or 25 years to go? Do you are trading like a pension scheme, like your pension scheme? The difference between you trading as a pension scheme and the real pension savings is that your pension savings does not increase. It is not a skill that you can exchange for money. But if you learn how to trade now, which by the way, Dazzly FX, we run one-on-one private classes and also mentorship classes. You are interested, send us a message at dazzlymarket@gmail.com. So we are going to guide you on how you can trade, how you can learn trading for your retirement. Okay, so details on that will be provided in the mentorship class. All right, then resignation, the same thing. How long do you have for your resignation? All right, the next thing is your risk. Are you an aggressive risk taker? Okay, are you a medium risk taker or are you a conservative risk taker? So in the strategy, we have the session, which is this now. What time do you work? If you work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., then you have to be trading in the night, or you have to trade the daily candles. Why? Because the market will close by 9:59 or by 10 p.m. So you still have like 2 hours, solid 2 hours to analyze the market. In what time frame? I would recommend daily candle. Do your analysis on the weekly candle, then you enter on the daily candle. Close your chart till the next week before you open it again. Then, are you a quantitative trader or a discretionary trader? After you have analyzed which one is good for you, what do you want, then you now move to strategy. But for the purpose of this video today, I'm going to be showing you quantitative trading. Your strategy is based on indicator. Your stop loss is based on indicator. Your take profit is based on indicator. You don't have to use your brain to think of anything because that brain is already stressed out in 9 to 5. I don't want you to overstress the brain. No, don't do that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get straight into the strategy. Before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so and turn on the notification bell. The strategy I will be showing us today is what I call the Ichimoku strategy. There is a course I'm working on for that, and if you're interested in having a one-on-one session with us, reach us at dazzlymarket@gmail.com or follow us on any of our social media pages and inbox us. All right, good. So now we go to the indicator here. You type ICH, Ichimoku Cloud. Click it once. You type ATR. Click it once. That's all you need. I go to the settings of the ATR. I just change it to 15. Period 15. That means 15 days. And I come to the style. I change it to black. I increase it and I press OK. So it's very clear. This is the Ichimoku. Let's go to the settings also. I don't need this guy. I don't need this guy. This is the background for buy is green and the background for sell is red. My conversion line, it should be red. My baseline is blue. Guys, follow me. All right, and my lagging span, I prefer to make it black and I make it very thick, and that's all that I need. What are the steps? This particular indicator, in looking at it in 5 minutes, you know whether you are to buy or you are to sell. So I'm just going to give you the exact steps that you need. Rule number 1, the red line must be crossing the blue line below. Rule number 2, the candle must be below the 2 lines. Look at this, for example. Now the candle is in between the 2 lines, so this is a time to stay away from the market. Rule number 3, look at this, the black line must be below the price. This is price, it must be below all the candles. That's rule number 3. Then rule number 4, a red candle must break below the cloud. Simple. Those are the 4 rules. Rule number 1, the red line must cross the blue line on its way down. Rule number 2, the candle must be below both lines. Rule number 3, the black line must be below all the candles. Then rule number 4, preferably a healthy red candle must break below the cloud. When you see these 4 things, ladies and gentlemen, you will just get into your trade. Now, this is a daily chart. Look at it. This is daily chart. So this is happening at the end of the day. This is what you're going to do. You go to your MT5 or your MT4 on your phone or on your laptop. Then you go to market order. You are buying by market execution. So, but sir, where will I put my stop loss? Where will I put my take profit? Very simple. Remember, I said this system is a quantitative system. You don't think of your stop loss, you don't think of your trade profit, you just follow a system. The first system are the 4 criteria. Second system is your stop loss. That's how we have the ATR. The ATR is the average true range. It tells you the average of the pips that each of the daily candle has moved for the past 15 days. The strategy is to use 1.5 of this. So we have an approximate 73. 72.6 is an approximate 73 pips. Multiply by 1.5. This is 109. So we do 110 pips. Okay. So now you're getting in on this trade. Now, what is your take profit, ladies and gentlemen? Your take profit is going to be twice your risk. 110 multiplied by 2 is 220. So this is going to be what? 2200. Simple. That is all. This is what you need to do every single day. 9:30. Make sure whatever you're doing by 9:30, you are on your system. When it's remaining few minutes for the candle to close, get in. Your stop loss is 1.5 times your ATR on the daily candle. Don't bother doing all that thing else. Then your take profit is twice that your stop loss. Then let's see what happens in the market. This guy took 19 days to hit your profit. So you are not bothered. That's like 3 weeks. You are not bothered with it. In 3 weeks, what did you make? 220 pips on AUD/USD. You know that AUD/USD is a very slow pair. Okay, so let's check another example. All right, guys. Now this is Euro/USD. Criteria number 1: the red line must cross the blue line down. Number 2: all the candles must be below the both lines. Number 3: the black line must be below the candle. See, it has crossed and it's now below the candle. All right. Then number 4, we must have a red candle breaking below the cloud. Very simple. What do? You go to your MT5. All right. Go to your MT5 or your MT4 on your phone or on your system. When the market is about to close, you're going to be checking the countdown. There's going to be a countdown. You get into the trade. What is our ATR? ATR is 74.4. Now let's assume that's going to be 75. Multiply by 1.5. That is 112. This is 112.5. That's what? 113. That's our stop loss. Okay. Now, if you multiply 113 by 2, that's going to give us what? 226 as our take profit. Let's see what happens with the market. It took 28 days, all right, to get us to our take profit. Let's look at it by example. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Euro/USD again, and this is the buy example. Rule number 1: the red line is crossing the blue line above now because we want to buy. The candles are above. Look at it. Even this particular green candle is above. They're above the both lines. See it? It's above both lines. Number 3, the black line is above the candles. Number 4 is that the candle must be breaking above the cloud. Now, what's our ATR? 1250 multiplied by 1.5. So this is 187.5. If you round that up, that's 188. So our stop loss is 188. If we multiply that by 2 for our take profit, that's 376. This is what we're looking at. So let's see if market is going to go our direction or not. Just 4 days to hit our target. Let me look for one more buy example for us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin. Okay, rule number 1: the red line crosses the blue line above. Rule number 2: all the candles are above the 2 lines. Rule number 3: the black line is above the candles. Then rule number 4: a healthy green candle is breaking above. What is our ATR? 378. If we multiply that 378 by 1.5, we're going to have 567. Go to your MT5 or your MT4. We are buying 567. Then if you multiply that by 2, 1134. This is all you are looking for. That does not mean this is all that the market is going to do, but this is all you are looking for. Do we understand? Okay, so let's go. Let's see if the market is going to go our way. Ladies and gentlemen, in just 1 day, you hit your target. This is Bitcoin. Please go and watch this video over and over and over and over and over again. Understand what type of trader you would be. If you would be a scalper, I've just shown you one, which is swing trading using daily candle with Ichimoku. Okay, define what is your personality. Define, are you doing it for a side hustle? Are you doing it for a project? Are you trading for retirement? Are you trading for resignation? Are you an aggressive risk taker or a medium risk taker, or you are a conservative risk taker? Okay, we have in That's the FX one-on-one private classes and also our paid mentorship classes that runs for 3 months. You need further information about that, reach out to us on any of our social media platforms. Then do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, then follow us on all our social media platforms. All right, so thank you very much, guys. This is the end of the Friday 600 with AA James today. If skin no food, for more body, bye-bye.